Welcome back. Want to impress your date with a tasty New Year's Eve spread? I know I do.
Yes, exactly. Well, this would do it. I'm just going to roll. The table rolls. You see me rolling to Suamico. That's what's happening. Cindy is back with us, and she says Festival can make it easy on you, whether you're having a big party or a romantic date. Good morning.
Good morning. We can. I mean, I walked through the store yesterday and kind of threw some of the ideas together. Okay. You always have to combine a little bit of labor with a little bit of easy.
Yes.
I always say.
Yep.
So easy are some of the frozen little appetizers that we have in the meat departments. The air fryers are popular and handy.
Oh,
so
sure.
you can just pop those in the oven or the fryer, whichever you prefer. And then let's make a few things. This is just those phyllo cups that you bake off. A little bit of a recipe that we have online. It's a flavored cream cheese filling with the shrimp cocktail. The shrimp on top, you just pop those in your mouth and enjoy.
Do these come already in that shape?
They are, absolutely.
That's
All you
the
do
best,
is put them in the oven
right?
for like 3 minutes.
Okay.
And these are in the frozen food section.
Okay,
Very good.
So easy.
Mexican shrimp cocktail, one of my favorites.
You know you want some, Brittany.
I do so bad. My mouth was like watering. I'm like, what is this concoction? I must have it.
And it's so healthy.
Yeah.
One thing that some people don't always know is to flavor your shrimp a little bit with the Old Bay seasoning. If you buy the pre-cooked shrimp, just marinate it for an hour or two, and then make your shrimp cocktail. It makes it just a little more flavorful. Avocados, clamato juice, hot sauce, cucumbers, cilantro. It's just a lot of good stuff.
I'm going to put up the Old Bay so people can see what that is. Is that available right there in the seafood department?
It is in the seafood department and in the seasoning spice items.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Yes. All right. Very good. Surf and turf.
Surf
Cindy.
and turf is so popular for New Year's Eve, and it's fun. And at Festival, we have a lot of choices for you. I just went with the small tails this year for the show. We've got the Easy, which is just a basic lobster tail that you make yourself. Easier, it's a chef ready. If you don't want to have to clip your shell or touch it at all, we've got a solution for you.
Okay, good.
And then the easiest is our one-step prep. We have 2 tails in a foil pan, obviously, one there, and then also in our steam bags, which this will actually cook in 2 minutes in the microwave. The other tails you bake for about 15-20 minutes. You don't want to overcook your lobster because it will get dry, and the smaller ones cook pretty fast.
And so all the instructions are on that, right? Because I think it's easy to overcook.
And we have those nice recipe cards too, so that makes it nice.
Always so convenient. These are some of my all-time favorites.
And you know what? I am so proud to say Festival has some of the largest of the crab legs. You notice our snow crab and our king crab, our size, there's such a small amount that get to this size.
Yeah.
And we lock those in. And we have those available in our seafood case. A little sweeter version is the snow crab and the king crab. I lean towards those 2 varieties. Steaks are always fun to choose. This is a New York strip. If you're watching that heart and healthiness, you want to go a little leaner cut of steak. And then we have the ribeye, which people that really are into their steaks say the ribeye has the full flavor. So
what
that's
about a filet? Where does that fall? As
the
far
tenderloins?
You know, like a filet mignon or something?
Yep. Well, that falls into very lean.
Oh, okay.
Actually, that's one of my favorites.
Me too.
I love filet mignon.
These 2 are the most popular in sales. These 2 are in sale this week. My husband, too, likes the tenderloin, the filet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Marinate them and throw them on the grill.
So tasty.
Nothing better.
And of
Bakery,
course,
look how fun these are.
I love these.
Grab-and-go stuff to color up your table and make it fun. We have the decorations. Our bakery cocktail rye bread, I've just added those in because they are so good.
And that's easy to top.
It is. Just a little dill dip and a sliced cucumber with fresh dill sprinkled on top. There you go.
Yum. These are some of my favorites. And
Do you want Cindy to come to your house?
Yeah, would you just
at like
come
noon on
come and
Monday?
prepare and sneak out the door?
Yeah, it's some of this, just bring the whole stuff.
Well, they kind of do that for you at Festival Foods,
true.
right? So when you go, like
do.
Cindy said, my kids the other day too were like, Mom, they got the decorations here. You can get it all there. So thank you very much and Happy New Year.
It's my pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much.
And check out festfoods.com. They always have great ideas.
We'll be right back.